It is great to see you all again at Weethy Coins. News about Shiba today. The Shiba Inu's metabolic rate increases by 1,550,000%. This is how you get ready. Despite its humble beginnings as a community-based meme coin, Shiba Inu has grown into a cryptocurrency project worth billions of dollars. Designed to test out different forms of community governance, it debuted as a token on the Ethereum blockchain in August of 2020. There was a sharp 300% spike in the price of SHIBs in March 2021. Members of the Shiba Inu community are very committed to the initiative, so it's reasonable to assume that the community governance experiment was fruitful. For crypto fans and aficionados who bought SHIB tokens, it has been a very profitable token with significant highs. The latest SHIB news will be discussed in this video. The Shiba Inu's metabolic rate increases by 1,550,000%. Prepare yourself. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu, has announced that the crypto coin meme will have burns. Burns originate from the game period, according to the head creator of SHIB, who was referencing SHIB Eternity, the strategy card game in the SHIB franchise. In addition, Kusama tweeted that, after the blockchain version of SHIB Eternity is out, more information will be given that will clarify why the game is powerful, difficult, and beneficial for SHIB holders. In Kusama's view, the game might pave the way for SHIB burning. Greater than 8 million SHIB tokens were incinerated on September 20th. As the supply of tokens in circulation decreases, the goal of crypto burns is to raise their value. Sending the tokens to an address that can't do anything else but receive them is the next step. Despite SHIB's decreasing trend over the previous month, the currency was trading up 3.46% at $0.000009 earlier on September 22nd, 2022, according to CoinMarketCap. After a successful beta in Vietnam, SHIB Eternity is now accessible on Google Play and the App Store in Australia. The whole burn frenzy was launched by SHIB, as stated in a Twitter tweet. SHIB has announced its entry into the metaverse. The metaverse is an ideal place for the crypto community of the SHIB army to settle down. The SHIB. In order to build this section of the metaverse collaborated with the virtual reality firm The Third Floor, TTF the SHIB. Through active listening, the metaverse has also been informing TTF of the desires of the SHIB community regarding their metaverse. Following a turbulent weekend during which its value dropped below the $0.00000000 mark, this digital asset, which is considered one of the top meme currencies, has solid fundamentals that should lead to further gains, but it could be slowed down by macroeconomic issues. Over the weekend, the trading card game Shiba Eternity, an integral aspect of the overall Shiba ecosystem, was released, giving the ecosystem a substantial fundamental boost after debuting in the Apple App Store a few days prior. Shiba Eternity was made available to Android users in Australia last weekend. When it first came out, the trading card game was a smashing hit in Vietnam. Australia will be the last country to test the game before it goes global, according to Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama. In keeping with other coins, Shiba Inu fell substantially despite the game's release. The asset's value has declined by 8.78% following the Ethereum merging and the Federal Reserve's declaration of higher than anticipated inflation. Just in the last week, SHIB had a decline of 14%. Every single cryptocurrency market has been profoundly impacted by the Federal Reserve's inflation figures. Additionally, SHIB is among the most impacted coins due to its enormous market capitalization. A general decline occurred over the weekend in the cryptocurrency market, and since then recovery has been sluggish. Most of the credit for this goes to this week's anticipated interest rate hike recommendations from the Federal Reserve. Wednesday is when the FOMC is likely to announce the quarterly interest rate figures. Rate hikes of up to 75 basis points are likely given the significantly higher inflation rate compared to last week. There will likely be no slowdown in interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, according to Bloomberg Intelligence senior commodity strategist Mike McClone. Consequently, it seems like crypto investors are getting ready for a long bear market. At this time, the price outlook for SHIB is not very encouraging. From its 10-day moving average of 0.001068 to its 200-day moving average of 0.00001090, the asset is trading below all of its moving average indicators. A sell signal is also indicated by a negative moving average con VMACD. Satoshi Kusama, the main developer of Shiba Inu, has informed the community about the many upcoming projects that will be joining the ecosystem soon. The famous coder informed his followers of the changes with a string of tweets from his official account. Kusama claims that Shiba Inu has finally decided to reveal their long-awaited game, Shiba Eternity Fulai. Shiba Eternity has reportedly passed its testing phase in Vietnam. Though Kusama did drop hints that the Shiba Inu game will be getting one last Australian test run, it is far from certain. Shiba Eternity has just been added to the country's Play Store. He talks about how SHIB and Shiboshi holders will love Shiba Eternity, saying it's powerful, difficult, and fantastic. New methods to improve SHIB burning were also announced by the developer. Especially with the release of the blockchain version of the game, Kusama thinks Shiba Eternity might make SHIB burning possible. Shiba Inu enthusiasts are making every effort to spread the word about a cryptocurrency that may not sound familiar. Is the release date of Shibarium draws near, it draws attention to SHIB's roadmap and future initiatives that will depend on Shibarium, contributing to the expansion of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Rumor has it that this project will start in the third quarter of 2022 and address the issues with the native blockchain of Shiba Inu, namely the slowness and hefty fees. Fans of SHIB continue to speculate, despite the lack of official confirmation, that Shibarium will boost SHIB's burn rate. Crypto holders will most likely be able to burn their tokens and remove them from circulation with Shibarium's built-in mechanism. Sending tokens to a wallet that can receive them but not release them is called burning tokens. No one will ever again be able to use the tokens after this. Occasionally, crypto projects will burn their own tokens, as this practice has the effect of increasing their value due to the laws of supply and demand. In addition, holders should expect to pay a small transaction fee to Shibarium, with a portion of that fee going toward token burns. In the background, the Shiba Inu crew is putting in a lot of time and effort to release the Shibarium before the third quarter of this year comes to a close. An initial public testnet phase of Shibarium was a resounding success, and developers at Shiba Inu have confirmed that the private launch of Shibarium during the alpha testnet phase was also successful. In preparation for Shibarium's official release, some of the foundational tools are still in development, including a wallet tool. A Twitter tweet from the Shiba Inu team dispels any speculation regarding a possible launch date for Shibarium this month. The team has officially confirmed that no dates have been. Concept artworks as part of constructing SHIB the Metaverse. These artworks offer the best of visual representation to the process. The team cited that this artistic element is commonly employed in cinema and video games to convey a predetermined picture and evoke intense emotions in the audience. Concept art unites the creative perspective and aspect of a project, or, in this instance, the newly introduced hub, and serves as the strongest point of reference, as the SHIB development team discovered. The first piece of concept art for SHIB the Metaverse, Rocket Pond, was unveiled earlier this month. Another stunning piece of colored concept art has been added to SHIB the Metaverse, and the team is now asking for community members' opinions on it. The tweet said, "Woof. Another beautiful colored concept artwork has been revealed. This time, Rocket Pond hits the spotlight for SHIB the Metaverse. We're excited to hear your thoughts. This hub is set to create an adventurous experience for the SHIB army." Lands available at shib.io in describing Rocket Pond. The announcement stated that it brings the feel of a hidden resort inside of mountains, the MECA or Koa camping vibe with the wilderness around you mixed with modern luxury/touristy elements, crystal clear waters with wildlife mixed with resort buildings that lead up to the mountains. We've finished up for the day. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.